Hello all, I Rahul Jadhav, Assistant Professor, Department of ENTC, ASSMS IOIT. Welcome you all in this video lecture on scope resolution operator in C++. So in C, global version of a variable cannot be accessed from within the inner block. So to resolve this problem, in C++ there is an operator called as scope resolution operator, whose syntax is this double colon. So scope resolution operator allows access to global version of a variable. So let us see this by taking a simple example. So first we'll start with the header file #include iostream, which is the header file for C++. Then using namespace std, it will define the scope of the identifiers which we are using, like cin and cout, that you can directly use in this program throughout the program. Next, I am declaring a variable m and assigning the value 10. So this variable is the global variable because it is declared outside of all the functions. Now is the main function. Now in main function, again I am redeclaring the variable with the same name, that is m, but I am assigning a new value, that is 20. Okay, now here this m equal to 20. So this is the local variable to main. So its lifespan is only inside the main function. It can be accessed only inside the main function. Now if in this main function we are having a cout statement and it will print this I am in main, then it is printing m equal to, and it is printing value of m. So here we have two options, m equal to 20 and m equal to 10. So always preference is given to the local variable. Even in C programming also it will consider the local variable and it will print m equal to 20. Okay, so output will be m equal to 20. Now take some modification in this code, that while printing the value of m, I am using scope resolution operator. Here you can see double colon m. Now here we have two options for printing the value. Either it will print m equal to 20 or m equal to 10. But as we have used scope resolution operator, and also it is given in the definition that it is used to access global version of variable. So here global version is m equal to 10. So it will print the value m equal to 10. Okay, so this is how you can use scope resolution operator to access the global version of a variable. Now let us take another example. The same way I am declaring a variable m with value 10. Now inside this main function another variable is declared with the same name. So m is redeclared and initialized to 20. So here this m is local to main function. Now here inside this main function I am adding one more block. You can call it as inner block. So this we are representing using highlighting using red color. So all the statement highlighted with red color are part of that inner block. So in this inner block I have redeclared this m one more time and it is initialized to 30. Now the cout statement, which is part of the inner block, then we are printing value of m, then we are again printing global value of m. So this here it will end the inner block in the main. So outside this inner block we again have some statements where we are printing the value of m and global value of m. Now if this program is executed, what values of the variable will get printed? Okay, so let us start this line by line. So once the compilation will start, it will start from main. The variable is redeclared m equal to 20. Now it will come inside the inner block and it will display the first statement. We are in the inner block, so this will be displayed. After that you are printing value of m. So here we have three possibilities: m equal to 10, m equal to 20 and m equal to 30. Okay, so as we have discussed, preference is always given to the local variable. So the variable which is local to this inner block will get preference. That means here it will print m equal to 30. Now next statement is global m, where we are using this scope resolution operator and we are printing value of m. Now here we have two possibilities, m equal to 10 and m equal to 20. Now both these variables are global to the inner block. Okay, so which variable will get preference? So preference will be given always to the most global variable. That means here in this case m equal to 10. Okay, now we will come out of this inner block. In the next statement it will print we are in main. Now the code is executing the statements from the main function, which is outside of the inner block. So it has printed we are in main. Now it is again printing value of m. So here m equal to 30 is not accessible because scope of that m equal to 30 was only inside the inner block, which is highlighted by the red color. So it will not print here m equal to 30. So what value of m it will take? It will take the local value of m. So as we can see that local to main is m equal to 20. So here it will print that local value, that is m equal to 20. And again if we are printing the global value of m, it will take the most global value. Here it is again m equal to 10. So it can access that most global value, that is m equal to 10. So this is how we can use this scope resolution operator to access the global variable in your program. Thank you.